How to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. So first, make sure you have loaded both PayPal and Payoneer. Now the first step that we need to do is click on Get Paid from the Payoneer page. And right here, we need to go to Receiving Accounts. So from the Receiving Accounts page, we want to create a US account. So you want to click on Request Accounts if you don't already have a US account. Go through the steps and select the US, and it will take a few days for Payoneer to approve your USA account. So once you have a USA account, then what you have to do in order to send or link your PayPal to it is you will see these details. So if you click on View Details, I have to blur this out, but basically you will see the routing number, the bank name, the account type, account number, so on and so forth. So all of this information, which is really important. And you have to write this information in the PayPal page, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So basically from your PayPal page, you want to go to Wallet. And right here, you will see the option to link a bank. So just click on Link a Bank. Basically, it won't be the same for me because I'm from Europe and this account is a USA account. But if you are from the US, or it's a different type, if you have a US or European bank account open here, you have to copy the account number, the routing number, and all of this important information, you have to fill it in right here. Now, for me, it says IBAN because, like I said, this is a European PayPal account, and I'm trying to link a USA account. But basically, if you want to link your USA account to PayPal, you have to write the account number, the routing number, and all of the other information right here on this screen. And all you have to do is click on Agree and Link, and it will link your PayPal to your Payoneer, and then you can send and request payments from your account. So for example, Payoneer to PayPal and PayPal to Payoneer. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.